Hi guys, in this video we are going to make your life easier when it comes to just change your links in your social media platforms. That's going to be really crazy, and instead of just having this page you have on your screen right now, when someone just clicks on your Instagram profile link, I'm going to share with you how you can create this kind of page that you see on your screen right now. So what's up guys, this is Kevin. I'm really excited because in this video I'm going to share these things with you, and to be honest with you guys, it's going to be quite quick. I'm going to create a page that we are going to use on every single social media profile, bios and links that you can just use on the internet, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. And I'm going to use a page to list all the single things I want to share with my customers, my followers and the people who are really interested in the things I have to share with them. So basically, I'm gonna create this page just here. And what's really interesting about this page is that you are able to create a page like this. On this page, you will be able to add some really interesting buttons that are going to redirect your visitors into one or two or three or even more important places for you. And what's really crazy and really nice is that you can create this page once on your laptop with one link and integrate this link everywhere on all your social media. So let's go straight into the software. We're gonna just go on Wolfeo.net, which is a software I built years ago. Basically, it's all you need to run your business, guys. You can create funnels, you can create sales pages, you can create courses, digital products, everything you want to do on the internet, you can do it with Wolfeo. But basically today, we are going to use it for the funnel feature. So go on Wolfeo.net or look at the description down below, guys, and just go on the website, click on the buttons just to create your account, and then you will be redirected to the next page, which is basically inside the software. And what you're gonna do inside the software is really basic. The first thing you want to do, guys, is go in the settings, and then you go in domains. And when you are in domains, you want to add your own domain. If you don't have any domains, guys, no worries at all, because basically you will have a free subdomain inside the software. So for my demo, I've integrated links.kevinhano.com, and that's gonna be my domain, guys. So I just did it a few minutes ago. If you didn't do it already, just click on add a domain, follow the steps, it's really easy. The next part is going to be inside the funnels. You go straight into the funnels. Then you create a new funnel by clicking this link just here, create a new funnel. Then you name the funnel whatever you want. It could be social media links. Then you select a funnel type, which is going to be Scratch funnel. You click on the next button, and when you are on the next page, you just have to click on add new step just here. The step is going to be named something like Instagram. I like using a name that is going to be relevant for my business and what I'm gonna do with it. So basically, that's gonna be for my Instagram profile. I'm gonna make one page for my Instagram, or even for my all social media, basically. So let's go for it. All social media, and then I'm gonna use from scratch, or yeah, from scratch is probably okay. So I click on create, and then you go inside the section others. And then you go down, 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 and you have a template just right there. In a matter of a few seconds, you can literally click on this one, click on use this template, and basically you have the page on your laptop, on your software, on your account. It's really crazy, guys. It's really great and really nice for your business. The other thing I'm gonna do before just editing the page, I'm gonna go in settings, and I'm gonna change the link and the domain to my new domain, which is links.kevinhano.com, and I'm gonna click on save. Then let's back to steps, and finally I'm gonna change the link for the path just here. So I'm gonna put go just like this, and then I'm gonna click on save. Then guys, the next thing I have to do is really simple. I click on edit page just here, and basically I'm able to change every single thing on my page. So what I'm gonna do for now is basically change all the things that relates to me. So I'm gonna change the image to pick my own image with this one. Then I'm gonna click on the text to change it to my own name. Then I'm gonna change it to put entrepreneur. And then finally, what I'm going to do is basically take my links from my social media, from my YouTube channel, and from all the different sources I need for this page. So I'm going to integrate, watch my last video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to give you a quick tip about this, just to make one-click subscribe button, a one-click subscribe button. It's really interesting. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and at the end, follow me on TikTok. So the first link I need is basically the link to my last video. So I just go on my last video, basically. I take it from here, I click on copy, and then I go back on my button. I click on the gear button just here. And finally, in the right hand side of my page, I just put my link into the link section and I paste the link just here. Then for the next part, that's going to be a bit trickier, guys, but listen to me because it's really, really nice and really interesting. So if you have a channel where you want the people who click on these links just to be able to subscribe immediately when they clicked on this link, you have something really interesting to do with the link itself, guys. I'm going to share it with you. So basically, click on the gear button. Then let's go back to your YouTube channel. And what you're gonna do for your YouTube channel, you're gonna go on the home page of your YouTube channel and you take the URL just here, but at the end of the URL, you're gonna put something interesting. This part just here has to be just added at the end of the URL. And if you put it correctly on the URL, that's gonna be just crazy for you, because basically, let me show you. So I'm gonna just change the link here in my button, in the link. I'm gonna save it now, and I'm gonna show you the result on my screen for now, and later on my phone. Basically, you just have to go back with the back button, and eventually you will be able to see the final page. So stay on the funnel, then click on the step just here, and eventually see the path section. You click on this little icon just here, and then you will see the really last page that we've made together, guys. It's really easy. It's a template, a one-click template, basically. You just have to change the buttons. It's really easy. So what you can do, that I said a few times ago, is basically that you can create these links, and if you click on these links just here, you will see that I'm just redirected to, when it comes to run, you see that's my video from my YouTube channel. I have another link which is subscribe to my channel just here, and if I click on it, what happens? I have literally my user redirected to this page where there's a pop-up, guys, and the pop-up asks, confirm channel subscription. Are you sure you want to subscribe to Wolf Media? And you can cancel or subscribe. And if you click on subscribe as a user, as a new visitor, you will be able just to subscribe there and then. And that's really key, guys. That's really interesting. So basically, all you have to do if you want to create this little pop-up on this YouTube channel is take your own YouTube URL, and at the end you add this section just here with the interrogation mark, which is really important. Basically, I'm going to put everything in the description, guys. So just check the description and like the video, by the way, if you like it. So I've created my page just here. All the buttons work right now. So what I'm going to do is basically change my link and use it for my social media bios. So I'm going to just copy it on my MacBook, and I'm going to show you the next part on my phone. So my phone is just here, and I'm going to go straight inside Instagram. And instead of just keeping my youtube.com/watch blah 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 link, I'm gonna click on edit profile, then I'm gonna click on website, and then I'm gonna click on the cross just here to remove everything, and eventually I'm gonna click on paste to paste my link. When it's done, guys, you click on done, and there you are, guys. That's done. You're finally done. You have one link in your Instagram, and what's really cool now is that you can click on the link and basically the page appears just like this, and you can click on the watch my last video link, go back to the previous page, subscribe to my channel link that goes straight to your homepage, and eventually you can click on Instagram follow me on TikTok, etc, etc. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy it, please do me a favor, click on the like button. And of course, if you want to create your account on Wolfeo, if you want to create this page, if you want to create your YouTube URL auto subscribe, I'm gonna share with you everything in the description, guys. Just below, there's everything, all the details you need. And more importantly, guys, subscribe to Wolfeo, create your account, because that's a really cool software. You can create many things with it. And eventually, guys, if you have any questions, if you have any need of anything, you can reach out the support, and basically they are going to help you in all the way possible just to get things done for your business. And also, guys, there's something really cool about Wolfeo, that every single week there's a webinar which is here to help you use the software. So just subscribe to it, use it on a daily basis, and that's gonna make your life easier. So I hope you enjoyed the video. It's also another really out of comfort zone video for me, and I really hope you enjoyed it. Anyway, this was Kevin speaking. I will talk to you in the next video. Bye bye.